Speed is a religion. But at 200 miles per hour, physics demands a brutal price.
Friction becomes fire. The brake system liquefies itself from the inside out.
Pedal sinks like wet clay. No stopping force. The car is now a missile.
Regenerative braking overloads the battery. Heat runaway begins in 7 seconds. Abandon rubbing parts. Use ionized air as a magnetic anchor instead.
Electricity transforms kinetic energy into light and sound. No heat remains.
The battery feels nothing. The rotors never touch. Stopping is silent. Stopping distance from top speed, 190 feet. No brake pad involved.
The patent existed for 4 years. Buried. Until someone decided to break rules.
Sign this. Plasma braking would bankrupt our brake suppliers globally.
No corporate approval. No funding. Just a woman and a hidden camera.
One test. One chance. If plasma fails, the battery will explode at impact.
210 miles per hour. 3 seconds to stop. No backup system.
5 G-forces crush Drivel's chest. 200 feet left, 100. 0 heat. 0 fire. 0 explosion. The impossible stop just happened.
He deletes all telemetry. The drive logs never existed. Proof is gone.
One leak changes everything. Watch this plaid stop from 215 miles per hour.
Anonymous video shows Plaid stopping without brakes. Tesla refuses to comment.
They buried it to protect supply chains. Now the world demands it.
Retrofit kits begin shipping. $15,000. 15-minute install.
3 million views in 1 week. This is bigger than ludicrous mode.
Brakes, 1800 degrees. Plasma brakes, 120 degrees. No contest. No arrest. No firing. They offer him a division. Plasma brake division. The hidden system becomes standard. Speed finally meets sanity. Next stop, 250 miles per hour.
So if we apply the Lorentz force here, the plasma drift velocity stabilizes the reaction.
Professor, does that mean the magnetic field strength is inversely proportional to the stopping time?
Energy converts to photons and sound waves. Battery receives nothing. Genius.
"20 stops, 20 plasma activations. Battery temperatures unchanged. Thermal runaway eliminated. Plasma braking is race-proven and road-safe.
No brake fade. No smell. No smoke. The plasma system regenerates battery instead.
"20 stops, 20 plasma activations. Battery temperatures unchanged. Thermal runaway eliminated. Plasma braking is race-proven and road-safe.
No brake fade. No smell. No smoke. The plasma system regenerates battery instead.
Retrofit time. 40 minutes. No special tools. No high voltage training needed.
What does the plasma button do?
Don't press it unless you're going very fast.
One woman's midnight obsession became the safest braking system on Earth.
wet asphalt. No ABS needed. Plasma works independent of road grip entirely. Even underwater. Even in space. Plasma braking needs no atmosphere or surface. He kept the notebook hidden inside a hollowed engineering textbook for years.
You violated your NDA!
I violated nothing. I saved lives. That's not a crime.
Tesla settles privately. The plasma patent enters public domain. History made.
Within 6 months, every electric hypercar adopts plasma braking. Hidden no more.
Virtual plasma brakes teach a new generation. Gaming becomes engineering education.
The teenager cites the engineer as inspiration. The circle completes.
I hid it because it worked. I leaked it because people were dying.
That night changed everything. One man, one plaid, one impossible stop.
The first prototype still hangs on a chain. Crude, dangerous, perfect. This $200 coil beat $1 million brake systems.
It's done. Plasma is everywhere now. Thank you. My son drives a plaid. 12 confirmed saves in 3 months. The data is undeniable.
No battery fires anymore. Extrication protocols change. Firefighters no longer fear electric cars.
Insurance drops 40%. Plasma pays for itself in 2 years.
Non-plasma plaids become worthless. The market speaks brutally.
Heat doesn't matter either. Plasma braking ignores ambient temperature completely.
4 years of hiding. One final test. If this fails, the battery blasts.
No fire, no explosion. The battery stays ice cold. Speed finally meets safety.
This story is yours now. Subscribe, share, and never stop questioning everything.